Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I don't know about you guys, but this is the most perfect angle that I got on my camera. So finally, right? So for today's video, I thought we would do something a tad bit different, tad bit, how do I say, cartoony. So hopefully if comments are on, comments might be turned off on this video. I don't know, because of regulations. But we're gonna do something laid back, chill with me type video of drawing back to school things, and I try to keep it simple to a little bit intermediate with cartooning, a little bit. So this is just for all ages, all all ages of artists. So if you're new here, I am Anna from Anna's Drawing Channel. I do cartoon, type realistic art, anything I can get my hands on. I love to learn, I love to paint, I love to do anything, digital art, everything. So that's why I call it Anna's Drawing Channel. So it's been a good while for sitting down at the desk like this. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. I'm going to go ahead and show you the material. I'm going to go back in time. I used to do drawing tutorials and things like that on the channel, and you guys seem to love it. So we're going to be doing three illustrations with you guys, but I've already inked them except for one illustration, which we'll be inking and doing together. So that way you can have we're going to save that for last. That way you can work up to beginner to advanced a little bit. So the reason I say that, I've already inked, and basically we're going to color these illustrations together. This one is a little bit on the beginner friendly side, so if you're a beginner you might want to start with this one, and then we could go ahead and go to the a little bit intermediate on this one. The reason it's intermediate is I filled in the black with a marker already, and I went ahead to just worm around the globe. So I'm going to color that together, and then I'm going to show you the materials I will be using in a second. And for this one, kind of a little bit advanced because you are using straight lines. And am my straight line perfect? No, it's not. I had to go back and erase a couple of them, but we're going to go ahead and talk about the supplies and what you'll need for this drawing. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to this part of the video. We're going to kick it OG if you're OG to the channel. I used to do drawing tutorials all the time, and I thought we were going to do an illustration tutorial and basically color with me a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and jump into the materials you're going to be needing for this video. So I've already explained the levels of the drawings. I would say beginner to intermediate for this lesson, and but all ages are welcome to try this video, and share your drawings with me on Instagram. I'm Anna08 on Instagram. We are growing fast on Instagram apparently, so I'm really excited about that. We're at 240 something followers on Instagram. Wow, you guys are amazing. So let me go ahead and introduce you to the materials that you already have at home, or something that you'll need. If you don't have any of the materials I'm listing here for this video, you can also find Sharpies or crayons or color pencils, anything at your will. You don't have to necessarily have these supplies to do these drawings, but I just want to say that so the first thing you'll need, I'm going to start with the intermediate drawing or the more advanced drawing I have here. I have this made up roll notebook paper, and you're actually going to be making your own notebook paper with a pencil on it. So I have an idea what I'm going to do with this drawing, and you're going to follow along if you want to. You don't have to, but so this is an example of that. We'll be punching the holes into the paper to make it ruled notebook paper for like a 3-ring binder or something. So I thought that was a cute idea. So what you'll need for that is a hole puncher, obviously. So I'm going to be doing a hole puncher for this project. For the ruled lines, and I'm going to be using, let's see here, we're going to be using these 2 Fineliners. These are by Staedtler, so if you don't have Staedtler, that's okay, just get a blue pen or something, or if you get a blue color pencil, but I'm going to be using these Fineliners here for the lines and the circles. So yeah, we'll be doing that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get into the, you also might need a ruler for this drawing as well if you're hesitant at drawing straight lines. There's a whole scientific method of drawing straight lines with your arm, but that's a whole different video by itself. You also need a pencil, obviously, to do your sketching and your ink work after or before your drawing, or pencil before your ink work, that's what I'm trying to say. For your regular ink work and everything, you'll be needing Fineliners, like black Fineliners. I will show you that in another video, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and go on to the markers I'll be using. These are the markers I will be using for the tutorial. You don't necessarily have to have these markers. The marker brands will be using are Ohuhu, Copic, basically Ohuhu markers, Premier brand Kohl markers, just basically alcohol markers. Like I said, guys, you don't need to have these fancy materials. I just have them for my collection, but I will also be using Tombow brush markers. But these are the basic materials I'll be using for the video. So here are all the materials. Again, you might also need a ruler for this one as well, but you don't have to. But this is the materials I will be using for today's video. So if you have any questions or anything like that, marker brands, I will try to list the materials in the description, but don't hold me to that because there's a lot here. So usually I just like to sketch with a ballpoint pen. If that's all you have, that's great. Go with that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on with today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. Help me get to 800 subscribers soon. We're so close. Oh my goodness. Thank you for watching. We're gonna go ahead and get started with today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, you know, it's been a while since I've actually been excited for today's video or whatever I'm making. It feels good to be back to cartoons again and coming up with new concepts thanks to this brainstorming class on Skillshare. So I'm coming up with more concepts than I had before, and I'm really excited. Like, my animals have themes now, and it's just been a lot of fun doing cartoons again. So I feel like I'm back to my old self or whatever, because I was doing hyper-realistic art for the whole month of July, and I'm like, oh my goodness, it feels so good to be back to cartoons again. And why not in time for back to school? So, for the first drawing, I am doing a backpack with books, and I came up with this thanks to my brainstorming idea session I did before I did this video, and I kind of came up with this idea, and I looked at other drawings, other art for inspiration, and yeah, so I came up with the first idea with book bag and books, and I had a lot of fun. And you know, I thought about, you know, since I'm out of school and everything, I could do my back to school stories session in this video. But to be honest and real with you guys, I did not have a good school experience. For the most part, how do I put this? I really didn't get along with anybody but the teachers, but meeting peers and other students and everything. It's just a hard time for me in school days, so I'm not going to go into detail of that, but I just thought I would do cute doodles instead. and keep it a fun video instead of being sappy and try to make the best of it. But let's just say I had a hard time with everything, and yeah, so let's not get into that right now. So here is the first drawing. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions or any advice you want to give or something, let me know. Anyways, here is the second drawing, Apple and a Globe, with, I think, yeah, with books, and I was really excited how, well, not with books, but with a worm, basically. I'm really excited how this illustration came out, and again, with my brainstorming techniques now. Maybe I could do a whole video, but guys, seriously, I've already made videos on how to come up with illustration ideas. So just search on my channel, for that. So, if you have any tips or techniques that you want me to cover or something in a video, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this editing format of a video, because I tried to do it back to school themed, a little bit, beginning intro, so I'm really happy with that. But I'm rambling now, which is something that these scripts for. So, anyways, I hope you guys like this little tutorial video of back to school doodles. If you guys have any back to school stories that you want to share, like what is your favorite subject? I guess I can talk about that. What is my favorite subject in school? Surprisingly, I did not like art back in the day. Actually, I hated art back in the day, and the reason for that being, I guess I could talk about that because the art teachers didn't like me very much. And yeah, I wasn't really good at art back then, so didn't pay much close attention in art classes. So yeah, I didn't get serious about art until way after college. So there's that. But anyways, funny story. My favorite subject was English. I loved reading. I think I had a good grade in that class. I don't remember. It's been too long. But I know one semester, 7th grade, I wasn't doing very well in that class, but I loved the teacher. The teacher was very nice and funny. She was Miss Walker. So if you guys were in middle school and had her, let me know. She was a great teacher and everything. So didn't do so well in that class either. So yeah, let's not talk about that. So for the third and final illustration for this class, or not this class, sorry guys, for this video, I did a notebook paper, and I was thinking, you know, I can make a competition paper of making a competition cover doodle with black ink and put white speckles with a white gel pen. I think that would be really cute. For this one, I had lined it with a fine liner and, you know, with basically a fine liner for the lines, and then I punched holes with a hole puncher to add a nice touch to it to make it real looking. So I was very excited how I came up with that idea for the back to school video. So I hope you guys don't mind this video. It's all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoy the drawings nonetheless. I hope you guys enjoyed my school experience and story, even though it's kind of terrible, but middle school and high school were rough for me, so I'm not going to go into great detail about that. But anyway, don't feel bad for me. I'm over it, and this is a happy video, right? So have any questions or anything like that in the comments down below, let me know, and I'll be happy to go over it. We're about to get to the hole punching in a minute after I write some lines. I'm pretty excited how I came up with this little idea of notebook paper, I guess drawing tutorial or something, and you guys can use rulers for this one if you want to really have straight lines, but I did use rulers for this one and they still weren't straight, so bear with me. So yeah, anyways, we don't have much else to say here. Let's see, what else can I say? I'm gonna go ahead and go, I think we're about to do the hole punching, as you see here for the paper. I have marked the holes with a pencil. You can do that as well, so you can see where to mark it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and let me know your school stories. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the outro. Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. So I'm really excited for today's video. All my illustrations came out very well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the illustrations that for today's final. So here is today. I'm very happy with this one. So cute and everything. Very, very happy with that one. Very happy with this one as well. So excited. I even got the shading of the little round globe. So really happy how that turned out. And then for the intermediate level, the reason I say intermediate level, because you do kind of quote unquote have straight lines. These are not straight, as you saw me kind of struggle a little bit in the video to get them straight. So I'm really excited how this one came out. I'm really excited for this idea I had. Because I punched holes in the paper to act like real notebook papers. So I thought that was a cute idea, and I was like, and I was going to make a composition notebook paper. So if you want me to do a part 2, or like not really composition notebook paper, more so than composition notebook, you know, those old school composition notebooks with black and white speckled on them, I was going to recreate that with black ink and then white gel pens or something, and recreate that. I could do a part 2 to this video or something like that, and do a small project, whatnot. And I think that would be a really cute idea to do so. I've been wanting to do that for a while, but these are the back to school. And for those of you who are asking and who are new to the channel, yes, I did go to school, but I did not finish school. Personal reason why, and I won't go into that much detail of it. I don't want to, like, but I did go to college and I did complete it, but I'm just gonna leave it at that. So basically my school right now is Skillshare, and I usually take classes when I want to, but this video is not sponsored by Skillshare, so I won't talk about it that much. That's kind of like my schooling a little bit. I do pay for it, but I usually take classes when I'm interested in and learning, and so that's what I mean by it. But it's back to school season for most of you. That's why I'm doing this video, in case some of you are going back to school and want to have. And I will do a small video or something with Procreate or whatever of school doodles that you can doodle in your notebook during class or something. I'm planning on doing that as well, so I'm going to come up with some doodle ideas on that. These are very small doodles. We can just do a pen. We can do it in composition notebook as well if you really want to nail it down to simple doodles in a composition notebook or something. That would be a lot of fun to do. So let me show you the doodles that I have here laid out. So we have this one. That's my favorite one so far. We have this one, and we also have this one. So I'm really excited for today's video. Very proud of these little sketches here and little illustrations. So if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, help me get to 800 subscribers. So excited, and let's go ahead and end the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.